Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers Cheap Glencoe local and long-distance movers near me. Choosing to hire a cheap Glencoe moving company just makes sense. 3Movers offers the most affordable local and long-distance moving services you will find. We provide professional movers ready to help make moving day simple. If you're ready to move your home, apartment, business, dorm room, equipment, or anything else, we're ready to help you. When it's time to complete a long-distance move, we can help with these options. Packing services. Our packers will take care of everything for you, and we can even do the unpacking. Moving supplies. We use only the best moving supplies, and we can sell you what you need too. An on-time move. Our movers show up at the correct time on moving day to help you avoid delays. Upfront pricing. If you want an accurate price quote, we provide transparent estimates for all moves, licensed and insured. Your things will be well protected throughout the move with us. Moving across the country or even just one state over is a big deal. We make it easier when you need to complete a long-distance move. Our team will help take the stress out of your move, no matter how far you need to go. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Glencoe moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.